I ran into Nicole on YouTube after searching tens of videos looking for some assistant, automation assistant for CRC and Acuity. And I ran into one of her videos where she was breaking down CRC, and she did a phenomenal job doing that. And I said to myself, I have to reach out to her. So I was able to email her, got into her calendar, and we scheduled a call. Let me tell you, she was phenomenal. Initially we scheduled for an hour and 30 minutes to try to get all the automations done. Guys, she ended up staying on the call with me. We had a Zoom call for 5 hours and 46 minutes to make sure everything was done properly, and we test everything out. And I couldn't be more pleased with the work that she have done. And to be honest with you, I actually have the confidence now to say I am ready for the growth of my business. So I would advise and recommend, if you are looking for any type of automation, in regards to CRC, Acuity, the campaign, shout out to her. She done a phenomenal job. I love the way, my automation is flowing now, because that's what I needed, right? The scariest things for me, I was worried about is, what if my business took off, which I know it will, but what if it took off tomorrow? Would I have the proper automation in place to help me grow it? And I did not at first, but now I do. So if you need any type of assistance in regards to any automation, CRC, Acuity, Nicole will help you. Reach out to her.